Hey everyone, how you doing? My name is Crystal Miller. Welcome to my YouTube channel where you're going to learn tips and tricks to grow your online business. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so you'll get alerts when I upload new content for you all, and smash the like button. High ticket is usually the term used when referring to sales, or in this case, of affiliate marketing commissions of $1,000 or more. There are many very successful businesses built on this model. Most of affiliate programs require no financial investment to become an affiliate. They don't generally pay high ticket commissions, and that means you have to sell a lot more of anything to make a reasonable income. Wouldn't you rather spend your marketing dollars on earning high ticket affiliate commissions versus $20 or $50 commissions? Most people just don't understand that return on investment equation, and it's very important for success in your affiliate marketing business. It is essential for you and your business because knowing that you can make high ticket sales, now you know that you can afford to spend a lot more on traffic to acquire that customer, because some of them will move up to the higher ticket or top tier products. People can always find the money for what they want. Now, on how do you advertise for high ticket affiliate marketing? There are tons of places on the internet that you can advertise from. You have social media, solo ads, traffic exchanges, and those are the only ones that I know about for now. You can find a link down below that has a 7-day free trial that you can get started now, and there's training that you can get started in the right direction. Click on the first link down below to get started. Also, remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on my daily content. Bye for now.